Hey guys, so this is a Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, and when you remove the film from the screen, when you unbox it, and from the back, that's not all. There's more film around on the side over here, also on the corner, so it's protect because it's easy to scratch. So basically from every corner it has some film. You can see it right here. So make sure you remove it. Okay, but again I would recommend to get a good case, because most likely it's easy to scratch. That's why they use a film around everything, and it's very easy to remove. You just need to have some nail. Don't try to do with knife because it will scratch. Just pull it out like this and it'll go around. So that's part of the protection on this phone, and it takes some time to lift the film, but once you lift it, you just go all the way around and remove it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like the button. I will make a new video about compare this phone with iPhone and tell you what I like about this phone and what I don't like about this phone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.